I thought you said you'll next week.
Yes, we will send it.
I did not tell. I have given the work and
Ma'am,
I
that's
told you to do.
that you
Yes, sir.
Are you?
No, it's free.
Very happy.
Oh, okay, it's free.
Homework in history long back revise. Now that political science I took history class. Art and history. Okay. So next week no option. You have to complete all the works. History, history and civics, both the lessons, call sharing and the third lesson. History, that first lesson. I want to see that how much you have done. Yes, yes. Okay. This, in another way, you have to study in economics, globalization. And in history, even though it's a very big lesson, you have to study up to 1.3. There's a small part you have to study. So let's see what is that globalization. Have you heard about globalization? Never. Hmm? You? No. सुना है आपने सुना पर मीनिंग तो नहीं पता है
Now, like we understand what the word means, but we don't exactly know the definition.
okay so actually this concept in this particular way is introduced after 1990s. Okay, but earlier also it was there. What was it? It is that the making the market an international market. That means making that the market as a village type. What is? How can we make the market like a village? History, making of the global. So, what is that? When you go to the nearby shop, any shop, take the example electronic shop. You can get the products of any brand there. But up to 1990, the picture was not like that. If you want to get a product of some other country, either you have to go there or to import by paying something. This was not available in our local market. Now anything and everything is available in our local market. Earlier for cameras, have you seen that olden type of cameras? Inside that cases type. So these all cameras, that is Yashica and all, that is Japanese products. It was not available. Now you don't have to buy camera at all. Your mobile is having all the types of facilities. This is possible just because we are having this global market system. Then you may ask that is it was not there in the earlier time or not. Earlier also in a different way this was there. Earlier time that raw materials used to go to other countries. some other products used to come to our country. These all transactions used to take place, but not in the present way. Means if you are sitting at home also, now the things you will get it. For example, you sit at home and Zomato में order कर देता है खाना घर पे आ जाता है. So this kind of facilities are possible just because of what, globalization. But there was a transition from the olden times to the present day. What all are the changes? What way it was there in the earlier times, whether it was in the present format or not, little bit we will study. You have studied in your last year geography, first lesson, about that oceanic route, that is Mari. Have you studied the first lesson?
Yes.
What you have learned there? India at the head of the Indian Ocean connect the eastern and western world. Through that route, the cultures transferred, the things transferred, ideas transferred, isn't it? You studied all those things. The same way, since Indus Valley onwards, this type of contacts were prevailing. But at that time, we were not having money with us. Then how the transactions used to take place? Barter system. But when we are selling the things to other countries, this may not be possible. So they used to exchange with the help of cowries. Cowries means seashells. Have you seen that seashells? Beautiful shells are available. That is on the beaches you can get small ones, but there are some shells which are very beautiful and which are having some kind of price value. I'm not talking about that on the beaches, small shells. There are some big shells which are used to be a medium for transaction. So they transacted the goods for cowries or seashells. That was